Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So happy to have you. Today I will be talking about my children's place haul. I got some items for my daughter, so let's just go ahead and see some of the stuff I got, all for under $150. Let's go. All right, so okay. I got a few blouses. Alright, so this is a dress I got here. So these blouses, they were under $3, I think, on the sale. So I got about 3, 4, I think it's 5. Let's see. Where's the other one? Yeah, 5. I got this other dress. I got jeans. This slippers here. This thong sandals. I got this flats, white. These shorts. A pack of blouses. These 2 jeggings. Some underwear. And this glasses. All of these I got for just under $150 at the children's place. So this is a good website to shop if you need items for your children, and this video is not sponsored. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.